So the same rules apply when using a mill as they did on the drill press. There's three things we're going to mainly focus on: the work holding, the tool holding, and the speed at which we're removing material. So work holding on the mill, everything is going to be done on our table. So the table has a few slots in it where we can fixture different holding methods. Mainly, most of the time, we're going to use the vise. The vise is bolted down to the table with these slots. And the important thing is to always keep your vise parallel with the x-axis. This is just to allow us to control more accurately how our piece moves in space. So if the vise is held off at an angle, then every time we move the table in the x direction, our piece is not only moving in the x, but it's also moving in the y as well, which can lead us to some inaccuracies when machining a part. Now, if you're trying to machine a piece that's, let's say, in a circular geometry, you might not be able to use the vise to fixture your workpiece. So you might have to resort to different methods. Fixturing on a mill can be very simple, as it can be very complex, and it all depends on what you're trying to machine. However, 99% of the time, I find that the vise is going to be perfect for everything that you guys need to do. The vise, when it's fixtured and it's properly aligned in the x-axis, is very simple to use. You would simply put your piece inside, and then you have the handle on the back here that you can insert on the front of the vise and clamp it shut. Now, important things to note when using the vise to clamp your workpiece. You don't want to clamp your workpiece too hard, because oftentimes if you clamp a workpiece with enough clamping force, it'll start to deform your workpiece. But you also need to tighten it enough so that your piece isn't going to go flying off when you try and machine it. Another thing is to always, at all costs, never machine the vise itself. But that'll be problems that you'll run into a little later if you start machining more complex parts.